12 cheap dinner ideas for weeknight meals. Number 1. Inside out stuffed cabbage. Number 2. Cheeseburger cups. Number 3. Chicken and broccoli with dill sauce. Number 4. Pizza on a stick. Number 5. Open-faced turkey sandwich. Number 6. Reconstructed Pear pork chops. Number 7. Grilled basil chicken and tomatoes. Number 8. Garlic lemon shrimp. Number 9. Garlic bread pizza sandwiches. Number 10. Orange spiced chicken. Number 11. Super crispy baked chicken. Number 12. Cheesy ham and potato packet. Thanks for watching. Never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.